Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the sdiff command. It compares text files side by side. And so here are a couple examples. And there's another one. Now you might notice in the first comparison, the files are the same and the lines match on each side. The second command here, it shows that they're different and highlights those differences with these vertical bars right there. So the side-by-side comparison allows you to easily spot and understand which lines are different in these files. Well, that is your Linux tip for the sdiff command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.